This has to come off to get it out of this hole.
Ah. No.
Otherwise, I guess you can take your fans out.
I think. Oh shit. So this is the timer.
I feel like if you take the fan off, you could go out and then out through this hole.
Spin it the other way, buddy.
What are you talking about?
This goes that way.
Oh. Didn't even think about that.
No, we have come to the conclusion that to get this alternator out, we could either take the oil filter out.
Hell no.
He doesn't need an oil change, so we're not going to do that.
I'm 2,000 miles away from that.
Or we take the fan shroud off with the fans. So we're going to go that route.
Here comes the mother effer. What is this mother effer doing? Yeah, let's just go put it all over the car. What do you have for the... Oh, typical Mustang douchebag. Typical Mustang douchebag.
You might.
Don't go try to drift out the corner.
Smells like ass. Ready?
Not
Yeah,
the crew
Brian,
to do it.
did you... What? You didn't disconnect them!
Oh.
Here,
Hold
here's
it
the
down
light.
here.
Here's the light. I see the light. Come on.
What clip is this?
A normal clip?
Because someone is on a radiator.
Oh my gosh. This sounds so bad.
Can you get it off?
We're good?
Yeah, you're good.
It's on the video. We're good. It's a nice bell.
Oh, yeah.
You got it?
Bend over.
I had it right here. Where did you put it? Where'd you put it?
I didn't take it.
Where the fuck did you put it, Tom? The hell? How do you lose an alternator?
Check outside the garage. It might be out there.
What? What? Did you put it outside? Tom, god damn it. Ah. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
You're going to catch it or what?
No, I'm just gonna watch it. I'm gonna film it falling.
Watch it fall through the
Filming.
I'm literally filming you giving birth to your car.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's all wet. I make Lexie wet.
I'd say it's that fun.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
Disconnect battery.
No, just disconnect the power.
Yeah.
Don't make car battery.
I need a battery. looking at you guys from down there, I should say. Hey guys, since you're helping me, I'll take you out to McDonald's. I was like, it's not in there. What's up, bro?
I'm just gonna hand spread it.
How shiny it is compared to
The socket.
Teamwork. Teamwork, holding hands.
I don't know, I like the touching.
Tom just likes holding hands, don't you, Tom?
Hold my head down.
Hold your hand. It's okay.
My head's
It's a little longer down there.
I was supposed to gag around.
Okay, I'm good.
Yeah.
Start tightening.
Yeah, yep, no, we're good. We're good. Yeah, that's fine.
You want a good little bounce.
Ah, cords everywhere. Who crosses their legs like that when they're working on a car?
Comfortable.
That's the most manly / feminine thing I've ever seen. The truck driver. Hey, Alyssa.
Hey, faggot.
Oh, thanks.
We got that on camera?
Got that on camera. Wow.
Spiced it up a little bit.
Wow. Get the fuck down there. Get down.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
That
Oh,
helped.
look, it's a male mosquito.
You fucking idiot.
We got this.
Stance, bro.
Stance Nation. Alright, let's test. Dude, shoe test, man. It doesn't mean, like, technically this doesn't mean one shoe. Because your hand goes up on an angle when you get up in there. Hella flush. You see what it sounds like?
Oh my god, that thing's fucking massive.
Yeah, it's a male.
Oh my god.
Look how big it is.
I'm done.
Fucking Wisconsin.